These are the lights we're going to be installing in the Ute. The low beam kit, H7s of course, and the VE high beam kit, H9s. They're both 600k, and we've also got some LEDs that we're going to put into the fog lights, being these ones, and we'll see how they go. What's in the low beam kit, you can just see there quite clearly, and you'll see that the ballast actually replaced the screw and caps, and that's why we purchased these. So that's one of the bulbs removed from the box, and as you can see it's got a protective plastic case, and I'm now going to install that in the left hand side. As you can see, we've removed the air cleaner. I've also taken the MAF out and given that a bit of a clean with the CRC MAF cleaner. Good to see the intake body is spotlessly clean. So what we've got to remove for the low beam is this one, you can see just in there. So we'll screw that cap off, we'll fit it in, and then replace the cap with the ballast, and we'll just see how that goes. That's the halogen bulb removed, and the tag actually orientates towards the top. So the halogen, the HIDs can have to go back in exactly the same way. And of course now I'm going to put some gloves on so I don't touch these bulbs. This is on the right hand side of the car, so you can just see how that's orientated in there. And we're now going to take that bulb out, and you can see the retaining clip just on the left hand side, and that will need to be removed. Alright, I've taken the connection off the back of the bulb, and now we're going to remove the retaining clip in the bulb. So I don't know if you can see that, that's a bulb in there now. Now I'm just going to attach the ballast and put the cap back on. And that's it is that simple. When reinstalling the new ballast, these ones didn't come with a rubber, so I think it's probably a good idea to take this seal off and reuse it. Why not? Only just pulls off. And that's the HID lights.